Hey Raiders, today we're going to tackle a mission called Off the Radar in Arc Raiders. Specifically, I'll show you how to repair an antenna at the field depot. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to find the field depot. Head over to the Dam Battlegrounds map and you'll want to look between the old battleground and the South Swamp outpost. Keep your eyes peeled for a building covered with a blue tarp. It's a clear marker. Once you're there, look for yellow ladders on either side of the building. Climb up to the roof to get a better view. You'll see the antenna right in front of you. Now just interact with it to begin the repair. And wait, did you hear that sound? It's pretty creepy. Anyway, don't waste any time. Get back to the mission after fixing the antenna. That's it for today's quick guide on repairing the antenna at the field depot. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.